Miss Daniela. As always, I miss and love you so super duper much, and I can't wait to read this next story with you. I'm sure you guys have already heard this story. It's called The Ugly Duckling. The silly thing about these stories is it takes the regular fairy tales that you might have read before and it makes them a little extra silly. So let's read this together, and you can tell me if you've read it before or if the version that you've read might be a little different. Let's see. The Ugly Duckling. Mommy Duck has 10 round eggs all tucked up in her nest. The eggs go crack. The ducklings hatch, but one's not like the rest. This duckling isn't yellow, but rather gray instead. He's not the same. He needs a name, says Mom. I'll call him Ned. There's Ned. Hi, Ned. I think he's cute. Ned is ugly. Ned's so big, teased the Duckling brothers. Thanks, Ned. It's true. What can I do? I'm not like the others. In the pond, the ducklings learn to swim in one neat line. But with a splash, poor Ned goes crash right through the ducklings' 9. There he goes, takes a big jump. Then it's time to learn to quack. But Ned shouts, "Woot!" with glee. The ducklings laugh, and feeling daft, Ned sulks behind a tree. Hoot! Did ducklings say hoot? No. Ned decides it's time to go. I'll find a different flock. And off he roams, so far from home, with just his favorite sock. You wear your sock on your head? That's pretty silly too. First he asks some dancing geese, "Please, can I join the team?" The geese say, "No, you'll spoil our show." But why not try upstream? Then Ned asks a magpie pair, but on a sign they write, "No ducks allowed," and three's a crowd. Thinks Ned, how impolite. As the moon and stars shine down, Ned feels so out of luck. A tear he weeps before he sleeps. Poor Ned, the ugly duck. Friends, how is he feeling? Poor Ned. He stays inside the sock for weeks. Then one day, by surprise, a noise wakes Ned, and from his bed, an awesome sight he spies. A group of birds so graceful, with long white necks that bend. They welcome Ned with wings outspread and say, "Come join us, friend." Shyly, Ned swims to the birds and asks, "How can this be? For I'm so plain. Please do explain. Just why would you pick me?" Look at your reflection, Ned. All the birds together, and then he sees an orange beak, a neck so sleek, and beautiful white feathers. Ned's as happy as can be with somewhere to belong. Says Ned, "I'm free, just to be me. No duck, I'm Ned the Swan." Look at friends. How does Ned feel now? He looks pretty happy to me. Alright, my friends, I miss and love you so super duper much, and I can't wait to give you guys all the hugs and smooches. Give yourself a big hug and pretend it's me. I miss you all, and I hope we can see each other soon. Mwah! Have a magical day. Bye!